What is good, guys? It's Rey-Jay back with another video. And this one, I want to give you guys a very quick update about the markets and talk about some things to be watching for. But let me first say that I am not a financial planner, so take nothing I say as financial advice. And don't forget about the Moomoo link. The offer ends very soon. If you deposit $100, you're guaranteed up to 5 free stocks. Put in $1,000 and you're guaranteed up to 15. The offer ends very soon in just a couple of days. Anyways, looking at SPY right over here, we actually had this nice accumulation that has been forming. We have this imbalance to fill all the way up to 499, but as SPY tried to push, we got this little rejection of 498 before coming back down. And right now, we're just kind of shuffling in the 495 area, so it's going to be very important to watch for. Looking at SPY right over here, you guys could see that we are below our 200 EMA, so you want to be careful right now. We also have that gap below to fill. There's a gap down towards 494, so I'll be watching to see how well we end up holding. If we lose 495, 494 is next, and 494 is going to be critical for SPY. If we lose that, we're going to be, at a risk of a bigger drop to 492 again. We have to try to hold above 494, and we're going to be okay. And overall, the trend is still bullish. We're still making higher highs and higher lows, but we have to see this get bought back up and try to break 496. If we break that, watch 498, and eventually this imbalance at 499, then 501 above that. Overall, I'd say the chart is still okay. We have to see how well SPY could hold this. And we'll see if we can get bought back up and try to fill the imbalance above. So it still favors the bulls a little bit more, but make sure you watch the levels just to be safe. On the QQQ, make sure you watch 429 and 427 and 425 as supports and resistance around this 430 area. We're just a little bit below that. We're trying to break it, followed by 432. And then above that, we have 435. So I think that's the QQQ. We have this gap to fill. We haven't fully filled it yet, so watch to see if we fill it or not around 429, and watch to see if we hold 429. If we lose that, 427 is next. As long as we hold above 427, though, this is still bullish. It still has a nice little uptrend, so it could rebound and try to push up later. But for now, it's kind of shuffling and still kind of like retesting its support, so be a little bit careful with it. For Tesla, in my opinion, is looking kind of in the middle because although Tesla was trying to break out, had potential to try to break out, we're still in this range right now. So we have resistance at 186. We have support at 184. If we lose that, there's 182.5. And we've been going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth all day. So it's kind of stuck right now, not really doing a whole lot. We'll have to see if anything changes. Otherwise, Tesla's going to remain range bound. And for now, I just see it kind of shuffling and being stuck in this range. Not a whole lot is going on with it. For Nvidia has been forming a potential cup and handle like structure. So this looks like a cup to me that is formed, and this could be a handle, but watch 725. If we lose this, we're going to be watching 720 down here, followed by 715 and 707. For resistance, watch the 730 area, followed by 734, 742, and then 745 and 750. So Nvidia to me looks like it could drop a little bit more. We do have this gap to fill. We're very close to filling it. So be careful, guys. This could drag the QQQ down just a bit more, but look for it to try to rebound very close to 720. If it does end up filling this gap, it could try to rebound close to 725, and then maybe 720 if that breaks. So I'm looking for a possible cup and handle like structure as long as we hold support. That is still a possibility. So Nvidia could make a recovery later, but it may take a while. So just be a little bit careful. Like I said in the morning, Apple's looking kind of weak. I said that in the morning. That's what's happening right now. We came very close to our support at 182.5. And as you can see, it's been downtrending. It's continuing to downtrend. So watch and see if we hold the 182s. If we do hold this, watch 183.5 and then 184 as resistance. If we lose 182.5, our next target is going to be 181. Overall, it's still holding up nicely. It's holding up decently. The trend is still kind of bearish looking, but we'll see how well this thing can try to get bought back up. So watch and see if we can try to get back above 184. Otherwise, watch 183.5 as resistance, and the trend is still favoring bears. So with that being said, let's go over just a couple more of these setups and stocks. Sofi is very sideways. We've got this nice little balance right here. We're still holding above our 50 EMA. It's still showing some strength, so we'll see if this thing can try to hold above 8.25. If we break that, we could test the high again. Otherwise, I would say it's looking very range bound. Palantir is testing 25 as resistance again. Watch support at 24. 24.7, 24.5, and then 24. So we have some very, very tight resistance levels right here. But overall, it's still kind of stuck, not really doing as much. The Russell 2000 we called a balance, and that's what happened today. We're up 1.2% still. Watch resistance right here at 197. We'll see if this could break. If it does break this, our next target is going to be up to 197.9. Otherwise, it's going to be stuck. For Microsoft, I was looking for a little bounce. I was thinking that this thing would bounce a little bit more. We got to 408, just short of 409, and now we're coming back down. So let's see if we can try to retest 407, and I think it's going to trade sideways after that. AMD's at 175, not seeing that much. I want to call out Coinbase. Coinbase was a good one to be watching for. I told you as we approach earnings, this thing is going to run. We reached 160. Now we're approaching basically the 50 EMA at 153. We'll see if this holds. If we lose this, 150 is coming next. So for now, it's at support. We'll see how well it holds. Could try to bounce here, but just to be safe, I want to be very patient. And that's pretty much it. I went over the others out there. Meta is showing some life. Similar setup to that of Coin, but we're gonna be watching to see if we can get above 467. That's gonna be our 50 EMA, the resistance. Then 468.5 is next, followed by 470. Those are some levels on it. I'll see if this tries to turn. Anyways, I went over a bunch of tickers for you guys. Hopefully, you guys found value in this video. Most stocks out there are showing some potential, a lot of sideways price action. We'll just have to see how it goes. But that's it for this one. This is going to be your quick update. Have a great day, guys. I'll see you guys very soon, just about 2.5 to 3 hours. Take care, guys, and peace out.